A calm day in 1958. In the evening of July 9, 1958, it was relatively quiet in the scenic Lituya Bay. It was 10:15 p.m., and despite how late it was still about an hour before the sun would set. Suddenly, all of the animals in the bay were jolted by the motion of a large magnitude earthquake. 36 miles to the southeast, a section of the Fairweather Fault slipped, generating a magnitude 7.8 earthquake. 7.8 earthquake. All of a sudden, an incredibly loud boom was heard, originating from the northeast. Unexpectedly, large fragments of a glacier were lifted upwards by several hundred feet, being carried by a wave with a height that was seemingly impossible. A megatsunami forms. A megatsunami had just been generated, which peaked in height at 524 meters or 1,720 feet and seemingly towered over much of the bay. As this massive wave flowed further from its source, it remained tall but quickly lost its height. At 2 miles distant, the wave reached a height of 94 meters, while at twice this distance the wave peaked at 37 meters. Large swaths of land were flooded along the way, causing the water to even reach a lake 3,500 feet from the shoreline. What had just occurred was the tallest tsunami ever recorded, which destroyed millions of trees over a vast area. Despite being more than 60 years later, the tree line which this tsunami reached is still visible today, which extends across much of the fjord. Unlike many other tall tsunamis, the earthquake which caused this disaster was not a megathrust quake with significant vertical ground movement. Rather, the large magnitude quake caused mostly horizontal motion of the fault line, which was insufficient to generate the towering tsunami. Instead, this event was triggered by a powerful landslide, which when combined with the area's shallow water U-shaped profile allowed for towering waves to slosh back and forth like in a bathtub.